Do you want to change your cursor from this to this, which also gives this cool animation when your computer freezes because of Chrome? Let me show you how. Open your browser and search for DeviantArt cursors and open the DeviantArt link. After opening the site, you can just pick whatever cursor you like. Pick the one you like. Make sure you're signed in to get the download button. Then hit the download button. After downloading, right-click the zip file and press extract all and extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder. If there's a file called install.inf, right-click it and press install. Click open. The mouse settings will automatically pop up. Select the new cursor pack and hit apply. If you can't see the INF file, turn on file name extensions in File Explorer first. If the mouse settings doesn't open automatically after installing the new cursor pack, then search for mouse settings. Open additional mouse settings, go to the pointers tab and choose your new cursor pack. Enjoy!